Hello student, welcome to Paritran Classes. I am your math faculty. So today we are going to discuss complex number. What is complex number? So before that we will study about the imaginary number. Here x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Here there is no real number x which satisfies this equation because we know that x square is a positive quantity. So how to solve this equation? X square is equal to minus 1, x is equal to plus minus root under minus 1. Here root under minus 1 is represented by iota. So here iota is a imaginary number. We can write as iota. I is equal to I is represented by iota. This iota is introduced by Swiss mathematician L. Euler. Okay, so we'll study about imaginary number. Imaginary number. What is imaginary number? A square root of negative real number is called imaginary number. A square root of negative real number is called imaginary number. So we can take some example like root under minus 1. Root under minus 1 is represented by minus iota. Root under minus 2 is represented by iota root 2. Okay. So some important formula is there for iota. This will be helpful for solving the equation. So you should remember this some important result of iota. Root iota is equal to root under minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota q is equal to iota square into iota. And here you can write iota square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into iota is equal to minus iota. Iota to the power 4 is equal to iota ka square. Iota ka square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 square is equal to 1. So this is important result of integral power of iota. And we can only solve the question if iota power is 1, 2, 3, 4. But beyond the power 4, we can solve the problem by help of some important result. So we can write here iota 4k plus r is equal to iota to the power 4k into iota power 4. So if any question is given, first we will divide the iota index by 4 and we convert this question into simple in this power 1, 2, 3, 4. We can understand by question easily. So I am taking some question iota to the power 91. So how we will solve this question? First, we divide this 91 by 4. 91 divided by 4. 2, 8. Here remainder is 3. So we can write as iota to the power 24 into iota to the power 3. As we know that this is multiple of 4. So we can write this value. Iota to the power 4 is 1 and iota q is minus iota. Okay. We can take another example. Iota to the power 98. This is your homework. We'll discuss in next class. We can take some other example also, like mm, summation of n is equal to 1 to 100 iota to the power n. So first we have to know about this sign summation. What is summation sign? This summation sign add all the term between 1 to 100. Okay. So first term will be iota to the power 1, iota square, iota cube, iota to the power 4, and last term will be iota to the power 100. As you know that if here first four term iota is equal to iota square is equal to minus 1, iota k is equal to minus iota 4 is equal to 1. Here 1 plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled out, plus iota minus iota will be cancelled out. Again iota to the power 5, iota to the power 6, iota to the power 7, iota to the power 8. This is consecutive power of iota. So we can directly write as 0. Okay. And in this format we can write this as final value will be this 0. Okay. So we have to summarize this result by important formula, like iota to the power n plus iota to the power n plus 1 plus iota to the power n plus 2 plus iota to the power n plus 3 will be 0. Okay. Next class we will study about some important question, and we will move to the complex number system, and we will study about addition of complex number, subtraction of complex number,